Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. Snowfall frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
Hello guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Well, today guys, I am coming in and bringing you along with me as I finish the last endings of decorating our living room for Christmas. So of course we decided to go traditional this year by bringing in lots of red, and I think it is absolutely so pretty. So guys, I'm going to sit back and let you watch it. But guys, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? It's a lot more to come. And on December the 24th, guys, I will be showing our complete home tour by candlelight. With anything that you do, and special as a creator, it's always a blooper some way. So I decided to keep this blooper right there within this video. Guys, these things happen. I decided for this Christmas, any blooper, I was not cutting it out. Okay, I know right now at this point, as you watching, I know it's going to be some in the comments that's saying, girl, what are you doing? You know, you just had surgery 3 weeks ago. Why are you getting up on the chair? Well, guys, I am a very independent person. I was very, very careful. I did not hurt myself. Everything is intact. So, if you're still here watching, I would like to say thank you so much for taking out your time during your day to stop by the VeeHive and watch this video. And if it interests you and you would like to continue watching, you know what to do. Go ahead, turn that red to gray, and turn on your notification bell because, as I said before, there are a lot more to come.